Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your 2003-2008 Toyota Corolla? It's a simple process you can do yourself, saving time and money. It involves synchronizing the remote transmitter with your car's system via a specific sequence. No special tools needed. Be aware of cybersecurity concerns and potential electrical faults. This video will guide you through the steps. Begin with ignition cycling. Insert your key and turn it from off to on without starting the engine, then back to lock. Repeat this 4 or 5 times within 40 seconds, depending on your car's year. Refer to your manual for the exact number. Next, program the key fob. Press the lock or unlock button and possibly the panic button with 1-2-second intervals between presses. Timing is crucial for success. For success, use a fresh CR2032 battery and make sure you're within 5 to 10 feet of the vehicle. Confirm your key fob is compatible. If issues arise, try disconnecting the car battery briefly to clear errors. Be aware this might reset your radio presets. For persistent problems, see a mechanic for underlying electrical issues.